Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can unlink accounts on Bungie.net. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, here simply get to the browser and make sure that you are logged in. Just like this, here you can see I'm logged into my account. And from here, simply click on your profile icon right here and then simply click on settings. So after going that, here on the left side here you'll get the option of account linking. Click on it, and here if you scroll down you'll get all of the platforms that you are linked to. So here you can see I'm not linked to any of those, but I am linked to my Twitch account. So in here, all you have to do is simply click on Unlink account in order to unlink a specific account from your Bungie.net. So if you want to unlink any of these platforms like Xbox or Steam, there will be the unlink option right here. All you need to do is click on it. So for now, I'm going to go with the Twitch since I am linked with my Twitch. Click on Unlink account. And just like this, here you can see we have now successfully been unlinked from Twitch. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.